Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to customize general preferences in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, let's open a PDF file to see some of the preferences settings in action. Now go to the Revu menu at the top. Click Preferences from the drop-down, or press Ctrl+K keys to access Preferences settings. In the Preferences dialog box, you will automatically land on the General Preferences settings, which have multiple tabs. Let's start with the Options tab. You can change your username here. It appears in the Author column against all markups in the Revu Markups list and Bluebeam Studio session activities. You can also change your interface language from different language options. To make any changes take effect, just click the OK button below. Language settings will be implemented once you restart Revu on your desktop. Next, you can change your Revu theme and choose from dark or light options. The current settings are set to dark. Let's see how it appears in the light theme. Let's change it back to dark for now. The other most crucial option is tab truncation. Let's open multiple files to see this setting in action. As you can see, our files have variations in the end, like Plan 1, 2, 3, and so on. The tabs are truncated from the start, so we can see the variation and recognize files easily. If the file name variations are at the start, we can simply change the tab truncation to end. However, in our case, this is not feasible as the variation is at the end of the file name. This option helps recognize various file variations if you are working with multiple project files. Let's close these files for now. From the General Preferences, you can also enable or disable full screen crosshair if you want. Another helpful option is to decide which file to open automatically when you open Revu on your desktop. You can select your desired file by clicking the Browse button and remove it anytime. You can also set it to open files from the last session. There are other general preferences for document settings. In Navigation tab, we have covered single and continuous page modes in a separate video. Watch our separate video on Snap features in Bluebeam to see the most useful grid and snap settings in action. The recent update in Bluebeam now allows you to search your desired preferences with a relevant keyword. For instance, if you type markup, all the settings related to markups and markups list will automatically pop up. Like this, markups list settings are inside the interface preferences that you don't need to search for manually. This is it for today. Don't forget to watch our detailed video on how to navigate and customize the Revu interface. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam, digitizing construction since 2003.